temperature of 42 at Shelby and 40 at Asheville. In South Carolina, WXL70's public warning system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated to warn of an impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there had been a threat of severe weather, the test would have been postponed until the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings. For station WXL70, broadcasting near Charlotte, on a frequency of 162.475 MHz, the warning alarm will be activated for the following counties in North Carolina: Alexander, Anson, Cabarrus, Catawba, Cleveland, Gaston, Ardell, Lincoln, Mecklenburg, Montgomery, Richmond, Rowan, Stanley, and Union. In South Carolina, Cherokee and York. This concludes the NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards Torn Alert Test. This is the NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards WXL70 broadcasting from a tower on Spencer Mountain in Reno, North Carolina, operating on a frequency of 162.475 MHz. This transmitter is serving the Piedmont of the Carolinas. The current time is 11:08 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. The Charlotte, North Carolina climate summary for yesterday, November 15, 2022. Yesterday's high temperature of 46 degrees occurred at 6:36 a.m. The normal high is 63. The record high is 82 degrees, which was last set in 1993. Yesterday's low temperature of 42 degrees occurred at 11:44 p.m. The normal low is 40. The record low is 20 degrees, which was set in 1969. The average temperature was 44, which was 8 degrees below normal. 0.35 inches of precipitation fell yesterday, which brings the monthly total to 2.51 inches. This is 0.87 inches above the normal amount of 1.64 inches for November. The total precipitation for the year now stands at 36.49 inches, which is 1.87 inches below normal. There were 21 heating degree days yesterday, which is 7 above normal. This brings the monthly total to 85, which is 93 below normal. The yearly total since July 1st is 285, which is 58 below normal. There were no cooling degree days yesterday, which is normal. This leaves the monthly total at 31, which is 31 above normal. The yearly total since January 1st is 2004, which is 243 above normal.
My birthday, huh?
The
2004!
Today is 63 degrees, and the normal low is 39. The record high for today is 82,
would have
which
been a
occurred in
perfect
1950,
activation
and the record
if
low
you
is
went
22,
off.
which occurred in 1883. Sunrise today is at 7 a.m. and sunset is at 5:17
At least you
p.m.
two went off. And you.
National
And
Weather
y'all.
Service forecast for the Piedmont of the Carolinas, including Charlotte and vicinity. Today, mostly sunny. Highs in the mid-50s. Northwest